How to fix Get Genuine Office You May Be a Victim of Software Counterfeiting Notification. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Get Genuine Office You May Be a Victim of Counterfeiting Notification on your Microsoft Word. So if you're getting this notification right around here, right below the scale, this is how you fix this. First thing, you will need to search for Word. Search for Word and right click on it and then open the file location. After you open the file location, you'll find Word here. Right click on it again. And after you right click on it, you'll again need to open its file location. After you do that, you will see these path right here. You will need to head over to Microsoft Office. After you're on the Microsoft Office folder, you will need to head over to Office 16 folder. After you do that, now you'll need to run this application folder. It's OSPPREARM. After you run this program or application, your notification will go away. So just open this up, give it the administrative permission, and after you do that, it just runs for a few seconds and then goes away, and then your problem goes away with it. And that is how you fix this issue, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.